Okay guys, it's Monday the 22nd, and in your folders you do have a fun optional coloring um, project that you can do. Make sure that everything else is done before you do this fun optional project. It is a coloring project, and everything that you need is going to be in your baggie that your family picked up on Friday. So yes, I'm telling you, you may go into your baggie and get these items out. What you're going to want to get out is you're going to want to get out this little teddy bear guy who is holding what looks like a wreath. And then you have two Christmas stockings. One looks like this, and one looks like this. Their patterns are exactly the same, but when you hold them up, they go opposite of each other. But you do need to have both of them. And then the other thing that you have is you have two colored pieces of construction paper. Yours will be either two red or two green. It doesn't matter which you have, but it's going to have a stocking outline drawn on it. Okay, so what you're going to want to do for this fun little project is you're going to want to color the teddy bear and the wreath, and then you can color the two stockings that look like this. Your patterns don't have to be the same. Just make them as creative and fun as you can. You can use colored markers, you can use colored pencils, you can use crayons, you can use whatever you want. So you're going to color them, and then you're going to cut all of them out. And if you notice right here, it says do not cut. So you're going to want to cut this little square piece, and you're going to want to cut around it. This square piece needs to stay attached to the wreath. So don't cut this part. So cut the wreath and cut around it, and then you'll cut out your two stockings. And then you'll also cut out your two papers that look like this. And you might want to cut those at the same time. Both papers probably have a stocking drawn on them, but you might want to cut them both at the same time. Once everything is cut, once everything is colored and you have it cut out, then what you're going to want to do, and mine's going to look a little bit different than yours because normally I make these and we hang them in the classroom, so this might have hung on our To Learn is Cool. So mine has string on it, but you're going to want to take and cut your construction paper and then glue your socks on. And I did my pattern exactly the same, but you don't have to do your pattern the same. You can do it however you want. You're going to glue them on there, and then you're probably just going to want to staple your stockings together. Then the final thing that you do is you take your teddy bear, and remember I said that square piece needs to stay in. So you need to have that, you need to have that white square piece, but color your teddy bear. And then what you do is you put your teddy bear, that white piece, into your stocking, and you can hang your teddy bear up. So it's just a kind of a fun little Christmas coloring project. It is optional. If you decide you do not want to do it, you can take the papers out of your baggie and you can recycle them. Have fun with it, and if you can, send me a picture of your Christmas stocking bear. I would love to see them.